how you can activate your Dubai Islamic Bank's card. Now, this can be your credit card or your debit card. So, I'll show you guys how you can activate it. So, before that, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't forget so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's just start. Now I'm on the official site of Dubai Islamic Bank, as you can see right here, and under this website it says right here under the online banking, first what you need to do to generate a PIN is first you need to log into your account. After you log into your account, select card activation right here. After you select card activation, select the PIN from the menu and set PIN option from menu. After you set your PIN, you need to select if it's your debit or credit card. Choose your debit or credit card and then enter the 4-digit PIN of your choice. Now make sure that you hit the choose PIN that you can remember later on so you don't have to change your password again. And then what you need to do is confirm the same to set it. Now after you set your 4-digit PIN, you need to request to receive an OTP via SMS. Now this will be sent to your registered mobile number, and after you receive the OTP code, you need to enter the received OTP and click confirm to set PIN and activate the card. So that pretty much sums up what you need to do to activate your Islamic Bank's card. So that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. That is all for the video. Bye bye.